In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zoom account. If you no longer need your Zoom account and want to remove it permanently, I'll walk you through the process on the Zoom website. This is a straightforward task, but it's important to pay close attention because deleting an account is a permanent action. Once completed, you may lose access to your meetings, settings, and account data associated with that profile. To begin, open Zoom on the web using your browser and make sure you're signed into the account that you want to delete. It's best to do this from the official Zoom website so you can access the full account settings menu. Once you're logged in and on your Zoom homepage, look for the navigation area where your account options are listed. From there, click on Admin. This section contains the main controls for managing your Zoom account. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry, Zoom can occasionally update its interface, but the general layout and labels are usually very similar. Next, click on Account Management. This menu gives you access to account level settings and administrative options. After opening that section, select the account profile. This is where Zoom stores your main account details and the controls related to your overall account status. When you reach the account profile page, scroll through the available options until you find the button labeled Terminate My Account. This is the option that starts the account deletion process. Before clicking it, take a moment to make sure you're all ready to proceed since this action is intended for permanently removing the account rather than simply signing out or canceling a session. Now, click on Terminate My Account. Zoom will usually ask you to confirm the action before finalizing it. In the confirmation window, type in the verification code shown or requested on the screen. This step is there to confirm that you really want to delete the account and that the request is being made intentionally. After entering the code, click the delete button to complete the process. Once that is done, your Zoom account will be deleted, and that is it. That's how to delete a Zoom account through the web dashboard. And as a final tip, before deleting any account, it's always a good idea to review whether you need to save any meeting information or account details first. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.